A comprehensive guide to choosing the best dishwasher soaps, liquid versus tablets, and the importance of rinse aid. Efficiently cleaning and drying dishes is a crucial aspect of maintaining a clean and organized kitchen. To achieve spotless results, choosing the right dishwasher soap is essential. In this article, we will compare the top dishwasher soaps available in the market, discuss the differences between their washing and drying capabilities, explain how to use liquid soap and tablets, and shed light on the importance of using rinse aid. Liquid dishwasher soap. Liquid dishwasher soap is a popular choice for many households. It offers convenience and versatility. To use liquid soap, follow these steps. Check the manufacturer's instructions for the recommended dosage and add the appropriate amount to the dishwasher's detergent dispenser. Ensure that the dispenser is free from any residue or clogs that might hinder proper soap distribution. Select the appropriate cycle and start the dishwasher. Monitor the results and adjust the amount of soap used if necessary. Liquid soap offers precise dosing, making it easier to tailor the amount to your specific needs. It is also effective in removing tough stains and food residues, providing a thorough cleaning experience. Dishwasher tablets. Dishwasher tablets have gained popularity due to their convenience and pre-measured formula. Here's how to use dishwasher tablets effectively. Place the tablet in the dishwasher's detergent dispenser or directly into the dishwasher tub. Select the desired cycle and start the dishwasher. The tablet will dissolve during the washing process, releasing the detergent and other cleaning agents. Dishwasher tablets offer simplicity and ensure consistent results with every use. However, it's important to note that some tablets may already include rinse aid. In such cases, it is not necessary to add additional rinse aid to the dishwasher, as it may lead to excessive foaming. Always check the packaging or instructions of the tablet to confirm if rinse aid is already included. Understanding the importance of rinse aid. Rinse aid plays a crucial role in the dishwasher's drying process. It helps to eliminate water spots and improve drying efficiency. Here's why rinse aid is essential. Water spot prevention. Rinse aid reduces the surface tension of water, allowing it to flow off the dishes more easily. This prevents water spots from forming during the drying cycle. Improved drying. Rinse aid aids in faster evaporation, leading to improved drying performance. It helps dishes, glasses, and cutlery dry more thoroughly, minimizing the need for manual drying. Spotless results. By reducing residue and streaks, rinse aid ensures spotless and sparkling clean dishes. To use rinse aid effectively, follow the instructions provided by the manufacturer. Generally, you will need to fill the rinse aid dispenser in your dishwasher, adjusting the dosage as needed based on water hardness and dishwasher model. Conclusion. Choosing the right dishwasher soap is essential for achieving spotless and efficiently dried dishes. Liquid soap offers versatility and precise dosing, while tablets provide convenience and consistent results. It's important to check whether the dishwasher tablet already contains rinse aid to avoid adding excessive foam to the dishwasher. Additionally, the use of rinse aid is crucial for improved drying performance and preventing water spots. Consider your specific needs and preferences when selecting the dishwasher soap that best suits your household, and don't forget to maintain regular dishwasher maintenance for optimal results. With the right soap and proper usage, you can enjoy sparkling clean dishes with minimal effort. Don't forget to give this article a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.